Get to know Frame Your Selfie, your virtual photo booth. A new and exciting way to offer branded pictures and capture data for your marketing purposes. Our virtual booth promotes social distancing and allows you to celebrate in the comfort of your home with your loved ones. Here's how it works. Virtual photo booth with optional virtual green screen. Follow these easy steps. 1. Grab your mobile device and snap a picture using your camera app. For groups, use landscape, and for single-person shots, use portrait camera orientation. 2. Send that picture via text or email to a designated number or email address. 3. Wait about 60 to 90 seconds, then you'll receive that same picture via text or email with a nice overlay template and/or optional virtual background. 4. You're done. The photo is yours to keep or upload onto any social media platform. You also have the option to print the pictures on site using the same printer of your photo booth. Brought to you by www.frameyourselfie.com.